Pro Tools Carbon is a new breed of audio interface designed for artists, bands and producers. It combines high-quality audio I/O with a complement of DSP acceleration and the power of your native CPU to create a hybrid audio production system. You can build complex mixes while tracking through AAX DSP plugins in real time at the lowest latency, all inside Pro Tools. Carbon addresses the main issue facing the recording musician: latency. Anyone who wants to record live musicians using a digital audio workstation must deal with the latency that is inherent in the digital recording process. The bottom line is, you want the performer to experience the immediacy that you would get with analog recording. But in any native system, lowering the latency comes at a price. The lower the latency, the less processing power you have for your mixes. One of the benefits of the flagship Pro Tools HDX system has always been that you have both power and low latency on demand, because the HDX DSP chips are dedicated to the task of processing audio. Carbon now brings that workflow to every Pro Tools user with the Pro Tools Hybrid Engine. With the Hybrid Engine, the mixer is running natively, but at any time you can switch tracks from native mode to DSP mode to enable low latency recording and monitoring without having to leave the Pro Tools application. Please watch our other videos for an in-depth look at the Hybrid Engine. Carbon was designed from the ground up with the recording musician in mind, and we haven't cut any corners when it comes to sound quality. Our converters have 4 ADCs per channel, providing 126 dB of dynamic range. From input to the HDX DSPs and into Pro Tools, the entire gain structure works at 32-bit precision, providing more headroom without any signal degradation. Clocking is also a critical part of the design. Our clock features a double resolution implementation of the patented Jet PLL jitter elimination technology for the best possible audio integrity. Carbon's 8 mic preamps are a padless design and are the most transparent preamps we've ever made. With variable Z built in, you can adjust input impedance to optimize or alter the tone of any microphone or instrument, from dynamic and ribbon mics to guitars and bass. I hope this has given you an insight into the thinking behind Carbon. For more information and other videos, visit the Pro Tools Carbon page on avid.com.